Up for sale, 1979 Corvette, finished in factory correct red with red leather interior. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 79 Corvette. Its factory correct colors are red, and it does have its factory correct red leather interior. It is a number matching L82, which is the 350, the higher horsepower. Power steering, power disc brakes, tilt steering, power windows, T-tops, and it's a rare factory AC delete car, or not AC ordered if you want to put it that way. In 79, they built 53,807 Corvettes. Of that, how many had AC? I'm looking at my black book here. 47,136, which makes just about 6,000, a little and some change, that were not ordered with AC. So it's pretty rare. I mean, is AC always wanted and desirable? Yes, it is, but you know, it's unique to see a car AC delete in a time when AC was pretty much standard to most cars. It has about 2-year-old red paint on there and very nice condition. Really not too many flaws on it. A couple, you know, tiny little stone chips, because this is going to happen with these kind of cars and the angle that it's on. It's got its all original body panels on there. The doors don't sag. Has a very nice shine to the paint as well. The hood fitment's nice. Headlight fitment is nice. Again, this door fitment's nice as well. T-top fitment, the rear doors and whatnot. So, we'll carry on here. It's got its aluminum tires on it. Factory aluminum wheels. I see a little baby nick right there. Looks like a little baby nick right there. Glass is excellent. Front side windows and the rear windows. Let's see here if I see anything. Maybe a little tiny little guy in there. Another little one. Maybe a couple more. No cracks on top of the dash pad there. And it is an L82 car, denoted by the VIN. So why don't I pop the hood open? Give me a second here. Okay. Another nice thing is it's got its factory correct engine bay, which is always nice to see. This had recent brake work as well. Frame's rock solid on it. Again, I mean, at any point they could take this off, throw Edelbrock on there. This you could take off, that you could take off, but it's nice to see it's still there. And it's got its pretty much untouched underhood on it. Let's go to this side, and again, nothing here that would look like it would have been an AC car, so that's pretty cool. And again, there's no AC controls on the console, so pretty unique to see that. So, let's get going here. Again, like I said, T-top fitment is nice. See a little bit of buffing compound over there. A little tiny baby stone chip and another little guy right there. Put the book down again. I have a second set of door panels that go along with the car. I don't know if they're newer or not. They both look like used condition. Granted, I think these might be a little bit nicer than the ones that are on there. Here's the red leather seats. Seats are in decent condition. I know that the seam is just coming undone right there. But the rest of the interior is okay. I mean, you see a little discoloration on the carpet. And I'm trying to think what else. A little cracking here. You know, a little looseness on that carpet. A little looseness on this. And the back's a little discolored as well. But, you know, correct with the where the battery compartment would be. I know that. Here you go. You see the there's no AC controls. but the dash isn't bad. You know, there's some discoloration on there as well, and it is, like I said, tilt. Trying to think what else. This power window does not work. The driver's side does. And again, it is an L82 car, which is nice to see. And it is, I did not mention it, has the automatic transmission in it from the factory, of course. Not too many, not really anything. I'm seeing maybe a couple right on that edge there. Let me see here, a couple of these. Yeah, a couple little minor baby ones right there. There's a little bit of dust on here. Let me wipe that off real quick. Little tiny guy right there. There's a little mark in the paint right there. See, you can see how recent it is, because this kind of area you would see a lot of stone chips coming up in time. Couple right there on that lip, and another area that's susceptible, I always say this in these kind of cars, right here on that ledge that sticks out. Put that back down. You see a little rip in the door panel right there. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. You see a little discoloration on the seat. '79 Corvette, number matching L82, finished in factory correct colors, which is red with red leather interior. AC delete, power steering and power disc brakes, T-top, tilt steering column, new red paint, little guy right down there, and another little one. Nope, it came off. Little mark right there.